So now net exports has how net exports calculated. It is the difference between the export and import. So now next you see that the gross fixed capital formation has three subdivision, has three parts or three categories. So what are the categories? Number one, gross business fixed investment. Number one, gross residential construction investment, and gross public investment. So you see that gross fixed capital formation has three parts: gross business fixed investment, gross residential construction investment, gross public investment. So next one by one I will explain the meaning. And inventory investment or change in stock, how this change in stock, inventory investment or change in stock. So these are the two same. So change in stock, how this calculated? It is the differences between closing stock and the opening stock. So now these are the total structure of the expenditure method. So if you keep in mind this structure, then it will not be a problem to calculate national income. So one by one I am going to explain the meaning. First, private final consumption expenditure. What is the meaning of this PFC? The meaning of this PFC, it refers to the expenditure on the purchase of a commodities by the household sectors. Number two, government final consumption expenditure, GFC. What is the meaning of this point? So it refers to the expenditure on purchase of a commodity by the governments. Government purchases the administrative type of goods like defense and education purposes. The government spent money. So this is included in government final consumption expenditure. Now next, gross domestic capital formation. What is gross domestic capital formation or gross investment? Previously I told you gross domestic capital formation refers to the addition to capital stock in an economy. And next, the net export, it is calculated, I told now, just now I told export minus import. So gross domestic capital formation, this is very important point, and at the time of calculation this GDCF creates problem. So it has two parts, gross fixed capital formation. What is this? Gross fixed capital formation. Gross fixed capital formation means it refers to the expenditure on purchase of fixed asset. Fixed asset. So this has three categories. Number one, business fixed investment, gross business investment. So gross business investment mean it is the expenditure on purchase of machinery, equipments and business purposes. And gross residential construction investment, this means that the purchase of new house buildings for production purposes. And gross public investment, gross public investment means the government construct flyovers, roads, so this type of things included in gross public investment. And change in stock, how change in stock calculated? Closing stock minus opening stock. So these are the information of the structure, so you have to keep in mind. And so now in short, I told you that first in expenditure method you have to calculate GDPMP, and GDPMP has four parts: PFC, GFC, GDCF and net export. When these four parts are added, then you get the GDPMP. Sometimes we have seen at the time of calculation directly GDCF not given, they are parts given, gross fixed capital formation, inventory investment given. So first you have to add these two parts, then you get GDPMP. CF. So GDCF, how to calculate GDCF, you add these two portions, then you get GDCF. Sometimes we have seen the parts of these three parts. So first you add 1, 2, 3, then you get CF, and add changing stock, then you calculate GDCF. So this portion is a very important portion in calculation of expenditure method. So you have to practice and you have to make it structured in your copy, and next day I will do some numerical in expenditure method, then it will be clear to you. So today up to this, thank you.